To experience the residence of Villa La Marina is like stepping into the pages of Architectural Digest, a one-of-a-kind Italian villa that blends old-world craftsmanship with modern sophistication. Built in 2008, the property features lush grounds generously dotted by mature date palms with an authentic stone exterior. Hidden behind a stone facade and private gates in Camarillo's prestigious Las Posas estates, this 9,000-square-foot residence sits on 1.5 acres of landscaped grounds and features 6 bedroom suites and 9 baths. Entering through the heavy iron gate and surrounded by a gorgeous courtyard, you will find yourself greeted by a statuesque fountain brought over from Italy. Step inside and take in the unmistakable patina of authentic Venetian plaster, imported limestone, hand-hewn walnut floors, and a gold-leafed ceiling in the foyer. A generously proportioned kitchen features gold-leafed cabinetry and top-of-the-line Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances. Retracting glass pocket doors connect indoor living to the inviting loggia, replete with a substantial stone fireplace and stainless steel outdoor kitchen. Step back inside to the indoor-outdoor circular bar, where you'll find a 400-gallon aquarium that's built into a stone wall. Look down and you realize you're standing on a glass floor, revealing the wine cellar beneath. Descend the limestone staircase to the lounge below, and you'll feel as though you've traveled back in time to medieval Europe. A superb use of stone transcends the space, and the room boasts a dining table flanked by an intimate cigar salon, small kitchen, and 500-bottle circular wine cellar. Pocket dungeon doors reveal an outdoor amphitheater and fire pit, making this the premier party setting. The grounds of the property are meticulously manicured with ample outdoor entertainment spaces and a natural stone waterscape. The saltwater infinity pool is surrounded by petrified wood and crafted with thousands of imported Sissus tiles, some with shimmering 24-karat gold. A legacy estate designed to captivate, inspire, and provide an unparalleled setting for elegant living and entertaining.